guys, welcome back to another video of mine. Today, I am here with Hockeystar2066, Soccer38, and Emmanuel286. So, today Hockeystar will be buying the Minigun and the P90. So yeah guys, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And make sure to join me and Hockeystar's Discord server. It is going to be the link of it in the description. And join my group and follow all of us, so you guys could join us in our future live streams. And we try our best to do daily live streams. So I think tomorrow we'll have 2 live streams because we skipped 2 days. So yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe and like. And if you guys are not new, subscribe and like. Tell all of your family, all of you guys. And yeah, so Hockeystar excited? Oh, Hockeystar, sorry I killed you.
I am very excited.
Sorry, Hockeystar.
Oh my god. I was trying to kill Hockeystar.
Yeah, that was.
I keep saying error code.
Sorry for killing you. Oh my goodness, this dude makes me look so bad. He killed me with a rapid scar.
Yo.
You make me look so bad. Oh, I hate that gun. Yes, I took down his sentry.
Yo!
Wait, what? There was another sentry behind me? Ooh, ooh, ooh. That guy. He makes
this
me
guy
look so
really
in the middle of the video, or when should we buy?
You know what? Let's buy it at the end of the video, so you guys stay tuned. You know what?
I need 37 kills to get a nuke.
Yo!
Yeah, guys, stay tuned. Soccer30 made me getting a nuke. So, you know what? Buy one of them now. Buy the P90 now. You know, let's start from the cheapest.
Oh
the minigun.
Guys,
I don't own the minigun. So yeah, you're gonna tell me if it's good. She weighs 150 kilograms and fires $200 custom turret and cartridge at 10,000 paintball per minute.
Rip my cash. I have only 1,366,000 left.
Bro, Hockeystar, you can shoot 10,000 paintballs a minute with the minigun.
Yeah, but this range is trash. I can't kill anyone.
Well, let's buy it in 3, 2,
I already bought it.
1. Okay. Oh, sorry, Soccer30. I did not see you
I
there.
already bought the minigun and the P90. Now I'm gonna try P90.
Okay.
I really want this.
Yo, this thing's so fast. This might be my new gun.
Oh, sorry, Soccer38. My sentry killed you, or me. I don't
Okay,
know.
this will definitely not be my new gun.
Soccer38, you there?
The range is horrible. Yeah.
Sorry for killing you.
It's okay, let me kill you 35 more times and then...
Please don't be mad
The
at
range
me.
is horrible, definitely.
Please.
I need to kill you 34 more times.
Okay,
So fast.
come and get me.
Okay, I'm gonna keep switching minigun and AK.
Are you first place? Oh, Soccer38 is second. Guys, this dude might launch another nuke.
I
hate this
am
dude.
standing right beside you.
Stand
I hate this.
Please don't be
Please
mad.
let me kill you.
Okay, come on. You don't know where I am. I'm
I
sorry.
feel like my cash only goes up by leveling up.
Okay, you killed me once. Good.
I am so embarrassed.
Sorry,
I
Soccer38
still
for
need 30
killing you.
kills.
Sorry for killing you. Is it okay?
You
Oh my god, how bad is this range? I'm literally aiming all the way up, and it's going
No,
nowhere.
time's over.
No!
That's
No!
close.
No!
So you bought both guns? Oh, bridge,
Yeah,
bridge.
both guns before you even did anything.
This
You
is...
bought it, so congratulations, Hockeystar.
I hate campsite. Okay, both
This is
guns,
pretty
the
hard.
range is trash.
Thank you.
Especially minigun.
Thank you.
What color are you guys in?
Okay, minigun is gonna be good for a bridge, I guess.
What kind of team are you guys on?
Emmanuel, stop moving in there.
It's
You're on our
30.
team. It's all of us against you, Hockeystar.
What?
All of us against you.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Guys, just stay tuned for this. I don't even know why.
I'm gonna make you all guys all ashamed of yourself.
No.
Starting one by one. Who's first?
Wait,
Let's
what?
see who's first. Hey, definitely not you.
which gun are you gonna be using? The P90?
Maybe.
It has to be the.
Maybe.
It has to. Okay, wait. It has to be the P90 or the minigun, cause those are.
Those guns are trash, man. I can't kill anyone.
Okay, fine. Lucky you. Guys, if you guys are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe.
Okay, I'll be a good boy. I'll use the P90. A very bad SMG. Let's do this.
Yep.
Yay!
Holy
I
moly,
don't
holy
believe.
moly, Hockeystar, holy moly.
I can't kill anyone. I feel like I'm being spawn camped.
And
No,
guys,
Hockeystar!
and guys, happy Father's Day. It is tomorrow's Father's Day, so
Starting by that's Soccer Cuckoo, then Emmanuel. Who's next? Nina, Soccer38. You're next, I guess. Maybe.
guys, for those who are watching, tell your dad happy Father's Day for tomorrow. It is Father's Day.
Soccer38 was next. Killed him next. This order is going
Yo,
perfect.
what? How? What? Am I
Yeah,
new
this
by this
order
game?
is
Or am I
going
just a
perfect.
dumb person?
Okay,
Eat!
now I
Kebab!
have to kill those
People, take it easy!
Okay, that's Soccer
I'm
Cuckoo.
not a
You're gonna buy
big
from the
woman
minigun now.
think I was.
You ready?
Yeah, come and get me with your minigun.
Hey, Wasim! Thanks for the credit!
Oh, what's up?
Ah! What? I didn't
You
see
can't be
anything.
as cool when I'm
What
active.
Yeah. Of course I can. I can always be a pro.
I am a pro. No,
Oh, Mina, Soccer38.
Little question.
Hello.
Mina, go to the other one, okay?
Okay. No, this dude's stupid drone and sentry. I hate him.
Are you there? Are you at your position?
Yes.
Okay, let's keep doing it.
Oh, I see what you guys are doing. You guys are so lucky you have Thanos dude on your team.
No, we're not.
Get out of here, Emanuela. Get out of here.
Get out of here, everyone. Except for us. Our team.
Die. What? No, Thanos. I was about to kill you and then Thanos ruined. Stop. Okay, Mina, you're next, Mina.
What?
Are you ready? Yeah. Wait, no, never mind. It's Anthony. I died. Die. No.
What do you guys mean? That guy was.
Like Scar. Nope. AK is my thing.
No!
Mina died.
Guys, I'm so close from getting the poop gun.
You think you can take my place?
Yes, I can. Mwahaha.
Die. What the heck? How is she killing you with an AK and blah Uzi?
Holy moly. Mina, Soccer30, go get your position.
Okay, I'm about to turn you into some serious poop.
That's not.
No! Thanos!
Mwahaha. Finally, I can place my sentries. My sentries get to live for once.
You, I hate this. Die. I have enough of you, Nina. Soccer 30.
Why you guys hate us? Like, we're just random people.
And I hate Thanos. I'm leaving this base.
You know what, guys? I think we'll wrap it up here.
Easy.
So if you make sure to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are new to this channel, subscribe and join everything. Everything's gonna be in the link of the
Yeah.
description. Goodbye, guys, and peace out. Bye.